Hey, I'm Adam from Adam's Welding. Today I'm coming to you from the welding rig. Today I've actually got a job I'm going to take y'all on and show y'all some of how to use the welder on a job. Stay tuned. This is the angle iron and casters I'll be working with today. I'll be making a dolly for a freezer. You can see how to make it coming up. This is what the blueprint for the dolly is going to look like. It's going to be 58.5 inches long, 38.25 inches wide. Have a caster at each corner. It's going to be made out of angle iron. It'll have a cross member that will actually stiffen it and provide less flex, because everyone knows angle iron tends to flex when it's used. So I'm going to get my materials cut and I'll come right back to you. So now I've got all my angle iron cut, but we've run into a problem. This is a problem with angle iron and using it to fabricate parts and material. Because when you cut angle iron square, it just butts up like that. The two options you have to prevent that and then make it as strong as you possibly can is to use either a 45 angle cut on it or to cope it out, which is what I'm going to do here. Okay, so the way you cope out angle iron is you cut it square across there and square that way, and that will allow this plate here to come all the way across to here, and you'll be able to just weld your edge and then up the corner. And that is our tip for the day of how you weld and notch and cope angle iron. Now I've got my angle iron coped and tacked together. Now it's time to check square. There are 3 different ways you can check square. With a square of some kind, whether it's a big framing square or one of these little multi-squares. Another method is to measure from one corner to this corner and across the opposite way. Make sure the measurement's the same, so that'll tell you if it's square or not. Or another method you can do is what is referred to as a 3-4-5. You measure 3 inches this way, 4 inches this way, you make a mark. You just measure across those marks, and if it's 5 inches, it's square. So now I've made my mark there, and there. So now I'm going to measure off the 1 inch mark of my shape to check the square. And it measures to 6 inches, which is correct off of a 1 inch mark. So now I have re-welded and checked it crossways by measuring from one corner to the other on both sides and confirm that it is square. Now I can continue with welding everything out. So now that I've got the bottom side of this angle iron welded, I'm going to weld the stiffener. Okay, I got the stiffener welded in place. Now I'm going to weld on the casters. Now an easy tip for welding casters is you don't weld all the way around. All you really need is from about there to there, from there to that edge, there to there, and on the back side from there to the edge. So I'm going to weld that. So now I've got the casters welded on, got it rolled over, everything's squared, and it rolls smooth. Now what's left is for the freezer to be put on it, but that'll be a different video. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like it. And remember, click that little bell icon so you get notifications when I post them.